welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. My name's Paula. Today's video is going to be a really short one. I will be starting the Wicca Witchcraft 301, the third level, which is actually like a practitioner level for witchcraft and Wicca. And this level will focus on developing your intuition, developing your psychic abilities, and then tapping into those abilities to then use divination systems and have them be more effective. The divination systems that we will cover will be like very broad overviews of them, such as tarot and runes, oracle cards, and scrying, things of that nature. Because those divination systems are so, especially tarot, are so involved and there are so many variables, I'm just going to go over very high level meanings for the cards. But tarot will take up a few episodes, so to speak. Runes will take up a few episodes, as will different types of oracle cards. And then also, and scrying will take up one episode. Also, I'm going to encourage you to try to develop your own divination system to see how it works. I'm also going to go over how to properly use spirit boards or talking boards, a Ouija board, and to properly use a pendulum for divination purposes. So that is going to be the main focus of the 301 level series of videos. Those videos will start November 1st, the day after Samhain. As usual, I haven't decided on the books that I want to use. I've got a couple in mind. Since Mercury retrograde storm blew up my hard drive where I had everything stored for this level, I'm going to kind of tweak and redo some of what I had prepared. And I may end up changing my mind about the book because I wasn't real happy with one of the books, completely happy with one of the books. So with that said, with each video, the book that I'm referencing plus recommended reading within that book, homework, so to speak, will also always be in the description box. You know, it's going to be a high level outline of what the video talks about, and then links to any kind of books or anything that I happen to mention along the way. Okay, some links will be affiliate links, some links will not be affiliate links. I will put in the description box and verbally tell you of anything that I recommend where there are affiliate links in the description box. Okay, so I will make it very clear which ones, you know, I would earn money on through an affiliate program and which ones I'm just putting there for your convenience. Okay, so with that, my friends, merry we did meet, merry we will part, until we merry meet again. Be well and walk in love and light, everybody. Bye.